20. I deserve the best affirmations. I have a positive impact on everyone I meet and inspire others, as well as myself. Today is a wonderful day and I will take control. My problems do not push me, my dreams do. I work hard and I have earned my success. I move closer to my goals with each passing day. I am focused, I am motivated, and I deserve everything I desire. I increase the volume of positivity while turning down the negativity. I am self-sufficient, I am independent, I am hardworking. I am capable of being whatever I want to be. I am grateful for what I have, but I know I deserve more. I am an unstoppable force. I inspire others with my work and focus. My past does not define me, I embrace the moment while driving towards my future. I rise above negative thoughts and embrace positivity. I will be a productive force for good today. I am focused, I am intelligent, and I have earned my shot. I have faced hard times and come out on top before and I will do it again. I don't waste moments, I squeeze value from every second I live. I belong here. I may have made mistakes in my past, but I have learned from them and moved on.